Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to factory reset your Apex SteelSeries Apex Pro Zen 3 or Apex Pro 3 keyboard, that actually is the similar name, which one you can call anyone. So to factory reset your Apex Pro Zen 3, would you kindly do the following steps that SteelSeries itself showing you in this their customer support page. So first, hold the media button that located under the scroll wheel. You can find the scroll wheel probably at the top right corner on your keyboard. Then until you are the OLED menu. Then when you find the OLED menu, then scroll down to about and press the scroll wheel down to select it. Then scroll down to factory reset, then press the scroll wheel to select it. You have to simply press that scroll wheel. Make sure that you not scroll it, you should just press it with a little strength and then select yes and let your keyboard complete the process. So you have to wait until it restart or the power light restart again on your keyboard, and that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.